In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to your Wix website in an easy and simple way. This process will enable your site to accept payments seamlessly, making it a critical step for any online business aiming to enhance its user experience and drive more sales. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Wix website editor. This is the place where all the customization magic happens, and it's the hub of managing how your site looks and functions. Once you're in the editor, what you're looking for is the Add Apps option. This feature allows you to integrate various third-party applications into your website, enhancing its functionality. These apps can range from e-commerce solutions to social media tools, but today we're focusing on PayPal, one of the most trusted names in online payment. With the Add Apps window open, use the search bar to type in PayPal. Searching for it here will bring up various options related to PayPal, but what you want is the straightforward PayPal integration for Wix. It's important to use searched keywords effectively, as this will help you find the most relevant app quickly. The next step is to click on the PayPal app that appears in the search results. You'll see some further details about this integration, such as features it offers and reviews from other users. Take a moment to check these out if you're interested. Once you've decided that it's what you need, click the Add to Site button. This action initiates the process of incorporating PayPal into your Wix website. After clicking Add to Site, you'll be prompted with an Agree and Add option. This step involves agreeing to the terms and conditions of using PayPal through Wix. It's crucial to read through these terms to understand any potential impacts on your business or changes to your site's functionality, and once you're satisfied, go ahead and click that Agree and Add button. Finally, you'll want to click on Settings. This is where you can tailor the PayPal integration to suit your specific needs. Here you can configure vital aspects such as which currency you want to accept, design details on how the PayPal button appears on your site, and linking your PayPal account for transactions. Configuring these settings helps you ensure that the payment process aligns with your business model and is user-friendly for your customers. And there you have it. You've successfully added PayPal to your Wix website. This integration will undoubtedly aid in providing a smoother transaction experience for your visitors, encouraging more sales and fostering customer trust. Make sure to test it out and possibly even make a small transaction to ensure everything is running perfectly. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helped make your e-commerce journey just a little bit easier. Happy selling!